first topic is all about Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Introduction. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP, is the foundation of data communication on the World Wide Web. It is an application layer protocol that facilitates the transfer of information between web client such as browser and web server. HTTP is used for the retrieval and transmissions of hypertext, which include text, message, video, and other multimedia context. Understanding the client-server model. First, client. Client are the device or application that initiate requests for the data or servers such as web browser, mobile app, or IP client. For example, client is the application na kailangan ng data or server tulad ng web browser, mobile app. Ito ang gumagawa ng request para sa mga client at gumagawa ng information or services from the server. Second is server. Servers are the machine that host and serve the requested data or services, such as web server, application server, or database server. The servers is the machine na nag-host at naglilingkod ng hinihiling na data or services tulad ng web server, application server, or database server. Last, communication. In the client-server model, client send request to server, which then process the request and send response back to the client. For example, communication nangyayari sa pamamagitan ng pagpapadala ng mga kahilingan o request mula sa mga client papunta sa mga servers, at ang servers naman ang nag-process ng mga request and response to the client. We talk about HTTP request method. We have 4 methods in HTTP request na discussed in Niser. Marami na di example kung nano pa ang HTTP request method. From the server ay nangahulugang kumukuha ng mga information ng isang server like web page or IP responses. Sa madaling salita, ang pagkuha ng data mula sa servers ay tulad ng paghahanap na information sa online. Now, we talk about HTTP response code. 2xx success. Credit that the request was successful, such as 200 or 201 credit. 4xx client error. Indicate that the client made a mistake, such as 204 not found or 201 unauthorized. 5xx server error. Indicate that the servers encountered an issue, such as 500 internal servers or error, or 503 service unavailable. The HTTP request code indicate specific HTTP requests have been successful indicated. HTTP header. We have 2 types of HTTP header. First, request header. Provide additional information about client servers such as user agent accept, format, and cache control. 2. Response header. Provide additional information about the server's response, such as the content type, cache control, and server software. There are 2 types of header request. Sent by the client, action the serve, and response, the answer that the server sent in response to the request. HTTP security consideration. HTTPS. Encrypted connections to protect data and transit. And HTTPS is security version ng HTTP kung saan ang data ay encrypted o naka-score habang ito ay nasa transit or client to server or servers to client. SSL or TLS, Secure Protocol to Establish Encrypted Connection. SSL or TLS ay protocol or secure na nagtatagda na encrypted connection to secure the data. And last, authentication. Authentication, verifying the identity of client and server. The example of server authentication, kaso ng pagsusuri at pagtutukoy ng pagkakakilanlan ng client at server. Now, my last topic is Files Transfer Protocol. This is the last but na-discuss na ni Sir sa mga una na nag-report, first topic adto ini didto. Files Transfer Protocol or FTP is the internet tool provided by TSP or IP. Abhay Bhushan developed the first feature of FTP in 1971. It helped to transfer files from one computer to another by providing access to folder on remote computer and allow software data and context file to transferred between different kind of computer. This is my example about FTP client and FTP servers. From client to servers and servers to computer network and control connections and data connection. FTP client. FTP works on the client-server model. The FTP client is the program that runs on the user computer to enable the user to talk to and get files from remote computer. It is a set of commands that establish the connection between two hosts, help to transfer the files, and then close the connections. Second, FTP protocol in computer network. FTP in computer networks stands for Files Transfer Protocol. It is standard connection protocol that is used to transfer files between computers over network. FTP enable easy downloading, uploading, and managing of files. My example about the FTP client and FTP protocol na computer. The two hosts help transfer files. The apps na pwede magamit to transfer files, Messenger, email, client and server model. It's, for example, I'm the client and nag-send the files to servers. And about computer network, pwede liwat easy download na mga apps and uploading like Facebook,